Hello guys, welcome back to the online help guide. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to install the Hathor wallet app. Open the Play Store on your device first. Tap on the search bar at the top. Then type in Hathor wallet app. Then tap on search. We are going to download this application. To install, just give the install icon a tap. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection before installing. Now let it begin downloading. When the download is finished, tap on Open. Toggle the Terms and Condition icon on. Then tap on Start at the bottom. Now, you can register or log in by following these steps. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.